Did you notice Toothless always protected Hiccup, even from Astrid and Hiccup's own father? In the second movie, Valka says dragons are intelligent creatures, and Toothless actually understands English. This is especially clear in the scene where Hiccup and his friends discover the Light Fury in the Hidden World. They discuss what to do with Toothless, since he couldn't stop thinking about her. The moment Hiccup agrees to take him back to the woods to find the Light Fury, Toothless immediately starts jumping with joy, proving he understood exactly what Hiccup said. Back in the first movie, when Toothless kidnaps Astrid, he flies wildly because he's waiting for her to apologize after she was rude to Hiccup. Once she apologizes, Toothless becomes much gentler. Later, at the end of the movie, Toothless keeps Hiccup wrapped in his wings, protecting him. Only after Stoic apologizes to Hiccup does Toothless finally relax and reveal that Hiccup is safe. Toothless didn't like anyone being rude to Hiccup, a small detail that shows just how strong their bond truly was.